Do you wanna go potty? Wanna go potty? What's going on, everybody? My name is Papa Kleb, and today we have a rubber chicken, and it's up here. We're gonna squeak him. Oh, he's gone. I was about to threaten him, but he's gone. So these are some treats for her joints, because as I said before, her other joint, the one that didn't go out, is at high risk to do so. It's like inflamed. And so I give her these. I give her 3 a day, and they smell so bad. They smell like, man, I don't even know, like some minty beef, like combined. It's disgusting, but she loves them.
Oh, bless you. Yes, you love the stinkiest things I've ever seen. You're such a stinky girl.
Come on, Bells. Come on. Get the Pluto. Get the Pluto. Are you ready? Come here. Come here. Go. Get it.
Oh, you're so silly.
Go get it.
Give me that Pluto back. Give me back that Pluto. That's mine. That's not yours. That's mine. Give me that Pluto back. Give me that.
Oh, she gave up because I have a treat in my hand. Do you want to go potty? Want to go outside? You want to give the camera a kiss and teleport outside? Mwah! Wow, that was impressive, Bales. Hey, do you want this treat? Well, first you got to go potty. Go potty. Oh, that's a good girl. Hi, Bales. So yesterday we fed Bales a shamrock shake. Today we're gonna have to figure out. Let's go into the fridge of Goodwill. Ooh, here we go. Easy, pickle juice. Bales, I think they can eat. I mean, if they can eat a milkshake, they can eat some pickle juice. Bales, come here. You want some pickle juice? Oh, look at that. I can't tell. It's like kind of interested, kind of not. It seems like she's doing one of those things where it's like, it's gross, but I have to eat it. So now I feel bad. You don't gotta eat that, Bales. Poor Bales. She doesn't like the pickle juice. She's like, wait, can I have some more? I guess it's better than nothing. We'll try it again, we'll try it again. I'm really confused, but you go ahead and have that, and I'll go ahead and dump the rest down here. This is basically what I have to do every single time I do laundry. I gotta carry my bucket all the way over here from my house, which is over there, which really isn't that big of a deal. But it is so inconvenient if it's like freezing cold or raining or past 10 p.m. because it closes at 10 p.m. which is, come on, man, 10 p.m. I always do my laundry after 10 p.m. It's a crazy rule. All right, well, we had the perfect amount of space, thankfully. I hate when there's like a little bit left over, and I'm not gonna start a whole nother load just for like 2 socks, man. Oh, and by the way, I caught this guy staring at me as I was talking because he thinks I'm crazy, and her too. Look at her, she's staring at me. There's a bunny rabbit over in the distance behind her. I don't know if you can see it. All right, we're gonna have to give this guy a little chat. Hey, Johnny, happy birthday, buddy. Okay, so here's my lunch. I got some chicken pot pie soup, which is kind of weird, and a grilled cheese. And I have this. So I bought this yesterday for my neighbor, who I kind of have a crush on, and she wasn't home when I got back. I got it when I got the shamrock shake, but I put it in my freezer, and I was gonna enjoy it today with my lunch, but it's frozen solid. I can't enjoy it, so I'm gonna let it sit here and thaw out, and then I'm gonna enjoy it later. Can I help you? Can I help you with something? Oh, would you like a piece? It's really hard to resist such a cute little Bales. So there you go. There you go. Don't get used to it. All right, so right now I'm heading to one of my weekly routines, and basically every Wednesday I go ahead and I walk 2 dogs for my mom. My mom runs a dog sitting business and dog walking, and there's 2 dogs that are right by my house, and my mom's like 35 minutes away, and she doesn't want to drive all the way here, so I walk these 2 dogs for her. These 2 dogs are a crazy pair in a household. There was actually 3 dogs here when I started, and they were all really tough dogs that would pull really hard, and it was a tough, you know, set of dogs to walk, but unfortunately one of them passed away like a week or 2 ago, so now there's only 2 of them. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna walk those dogs now. They get an hour-long walk, and they are crazy. Oh, you're a crazy puppy. And then we got another one right there. Oh, hi, crazy puppies. Hi, how are you? Which one should I bring first? I tried to walk them both together one time, but they are just too crazy. They pull too hard, so I gotta walk them one at a time. So this is Elvis. He's really chubby, but he's a good boy. Apparently he's aggressive to like random people. Like the cable guy came and he bit him, which is crazy. This is like the nicest dog ever. He's not gonna bite anybody, but apparently he does. Elvis, are you crazy? Do you bite people sometimes? Well, thank you for not biting me. I really appreciate it. And this is Chaplin. He's such a weirdo. He's always doing something weird. Come on, let's go. He's terrified of most people and all dogs. He's also dog aggressive, so he tries to get every single dog we go near, and he's always like all crouching over, pulling, being so weird. And he was really scared of me for the first few weeks of walking him, which was also tough. He didn't let me put the leash on, and he's just a weirdo. So I'm getting used to it. He's getting used to me, and it's getting a little easier, but he's just always, come here, Chabby, Chabby. Are you still scared of me? Yeah, see, he's still like kind of scared of me. He's doing better. He's doing a lot better. Bales? Oh, hi. Oh, hi. Oh, what do you got here? What do you got here? Proud to be,
Are you proud to be a Canadian? Are you a Canadian? Let me put this on your face. I'm gonna put this on your face because you're a Canadian.
So I'm really excited about my smoothie, or it's not a smoothie, it's a milkshake. And I'm really curious to see if it's ready. Oh, it's kind of like hard in the middle still, but the outside, let's give it a shot. There's a little bit of a blockade in the straw, but I got that out, and now it's just like a, it's so good. Now I'd like to just observe a moment of silence for my neighbor. She didn't get it, and I did, so I'm sorry, you should have been home. All right, so Bales and I are actually editing this video right now, and I realized I didn't have an outro, so sorry, this was just kind of like a nothing video. Not really much happened. I was just kind of doing my daily routine, but I wanted to get something out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and if you don't, then well, at least there's a little bit of juiciness at the end. I'm gonna be flickering this light switch. Are you even ready? Are you even ready? Ready? Check it out. Check it out, dude. Check it. Bailey, check it out. Hey, look, come here. Look. Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. That's what I thought. Either way, guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one where hopefully I don't tip my chair over like I'm about to right now. Whoa! Well, it's just me and you, Bales. Can you help me up? No? Okay.